Another thing is the installation of the bed temperature sensor. So this is the bed temperature sensor, and it's a normal temperature sensor and a paper clip stick together, and you're going to install it here. So unscrew this, put this back, and then make sure that the glass on the sensor is going to hit the bed. So when you place the bed, the sensor is in direct contact with the bed. Okay? So just had it installed, and I'm going to bend the tip a little upward like this to make sure that the sensor tip is going to sit on the bed.